Shape 30 grams of green modelling paste into an egg. On either side of the wide end of the egg, place your little finger and gently rock back and forth to create a groove. Use the Dresden tool to create a crease in the centre of the groove. For the feet, take 2 pea-sized balls of chocolate brown modelling paste and roll into ovoid shapes. Press the Dresden tool into the paste twice to create the toes. The head is 30 grams of chocolate brown modelling paste. Mix a small amount of chocolate brown modelling paste with some white to create a pale brown, and then take a pea-sized ball. Place the pea on the end of your finger and flatten one end and then round off the other side. Use the Dresden tool to mark in the mouth. Press a small ball tool into the ends of the smile to create dimples, and then add an oval of black modelling paste for the nose. Push a medium ball tool into the face on either side of the muzzle and then fill with 2 balls of white modelling paste. Push a small ball tool into the inner corner of each eye to create a well, and then fill with 2 balls of black modelling paste. Roll an extra fine sausage from some black modelling paste and glue in place around the top of each eye. Push the small ball tool into the face just underneath the eye and create an oval shaped well. Add a small ball of white modelling paste to the upper right corner of each eye and fill the oval wells with some pink modelling paste. And now I'm being rather cruel by cutting off the top of his head. Roll a similar sized ball of the green modelling paste and then cut off a piece that's about the same size as the piece of brown we removed. Attach the small piece of green to the bear's head and then use your fingers to blend. For the ears, you want 2 small balls of chocolate brown modelling paste. Push the medium ball tool into the centre of each and then drag towards the end to create a groove. Pinch the paste over the groove to create a point, and then use a small ball tool to create 2 holes in the top of the head. Paint a little glue inside the holes and then insert the ears. Glue the head onto the body. You can use a cocktail stick to secure it if needed. For the arms, take 2 pea-sized balls of green modelling paste and roll into long cone shapes. Attach the cones to the side of the body with the pointed end just underneath the chin. The hands are 2 pea-sized balls of chocolate brown modelling paste which I've just attached to the body and then use my fingers to fit into position. Use the Dresden tool to mark in the fingers. Finally roll out some white modelling paste and cut out a trapezoid shape. Use the modelling tool to create 2 horizontal lines, attached to the base of the chin and the top of the body. Roll a very fine sausage of white modelling paste and attach to the 4 corners of the mask. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and of course I would love to see you as a subscriber, so please hit that subscribe or follow button. And before I go, I've also got a book out called Making Sugar Models, so if you enjoy my work, please go check it out.